Jordyn and I have been best friends for over a decade now, and she is one of my favorite people in the world. Jordyn and Jason have a beautiful, inspiring love that is based on a deep and powerful friendship. They can be 100% themselves when they're together, and they bring out the best in each other.
Jason is one of the sweetest people I know and has an extremely kind heart. I am beyond grateful, Jordyn, that you came into Jason's life. Even though I didn't meet you until after you were engaged, I could tell from talking to him that you guys were a great match. Thank you for making one of my best friends happy. And to both of you, I wish you nothing but love and happiness. To the bride and groom.
So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Dave Bigelow. I was Jordyn's calculus professor in the fall of 2013. Some of you might be a little worried that Jordyn has asked her calculus professor to do the wedding ceremony. I want to assure you that your worst fears are about to be realized. If you were to consider the relationship y is equal to 2x plus 4, we will go 2 times 1 plus 4 becomes 6. And so the y value becomes 6. But we can see, just like in a human relationship, when one of the variables changes, one person's behavior becomes negative. If it becomes -3, then the other variable could become -2. We have graphs coming up. Much like life, the sine wave has its ups and its downs. I always teach all of my students that there's really only one concept that's important, and that's the concept of the limit. But I want you to remember the most important thing as you go through your life. There are no limits on love. These are the hands of your best friend. They are holding yours on your wedding day as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever. These are the hands that will love you and cherish you through the years and will comfort you with the slightest touch. These are the hands that will wipe away the tears from your eyes, tears of sorrow and tears of joy. These are the hands that will tenderly hold your children and help you hold your family as one. These are the hands that will give you strength when you need it. These are the hands that, when wrinkled and aged, will still be reaching for yours, still giving you the same unspoken tenderness with just a touch. Parents, it seems like only yesterday that 2 children were born into this world, and in them you saw infinite hope and possibility. To this day, you love them, you rejoice with them, and you cry with them. Today, we see them taking a new step, but it is not a step away from you. Rather, it is a step with you beside them as they start their married life. Hand fasting is an ancient Celtic ritual, and it's actually the origin of the phrase tying the knot. In this tradition, a couple's hands are bound together to signify the joining of their lives in sacred union. Each colored ribbon represents a different blessing that the couple will carry with them throughout their marriage. Do you vow to treasure your marriage, to find creative ways to express your love, and to inspire your partner to be the best version of themselves?
We do.
Jordyn's mom will now offer the blessing of a silver ribbon, which represents treasure, values, creativity, and inspiration. Do you vow to handle every conversation, every setback, and every triumph with patience, devotion, and sincerity? Jason's mom will now offer the blessing of a blue ribbon, which represents tranquility, patience, devotion, and sincerity. Do you vow to create a shared vision of the future, to celebrate your success as one, and to face every challenge with strength, wisdom, and compromise? Jordyn's dad will now offer the blessing of a black ribbon, which represents strength, wisdom, vision, and success. Do you vow to honor your partner with open and honest communication and to build a life filled with romance and happiness?
We do.
Jason's dad will now offer the blessing of a pink ribbon, which represents unity, honor, truth, romance, and happiness. Jordyn and Jason would like to acknowledge the importance of their closest friends as represented by the wedding party and all of you bearing witness here today. Do you vow to find balance in your separate and shared lives? Do you have the confidence to allow your partner to grow and to share in each other's joy?
We do.
The maid of honor and best man will now offer the blessings of a yellow ribbon, which represents charm, confidence, joy, and balance. The perfect circle of the ring symbolizes eternity. The precious metal came from the ground as a rough ore and was heated and purified, shaped and polished. Something beautiful was made from raw elements. Love is like that. It comes from humble beginnings, made by imperfect beings. It is the process of making something beautiful. As a ring has no end,
Neither shall my love for you.
may your hands be forever clasped in friendship and your hearts joined forever in love. You may now kiss the bride.
If I'm honest, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just wandering the ruins, looking for a place to start. If I'm honest, I don't know who I am. All I see is a man who's waiting for a wake-up call. So won't you touch this heart that doesn't have a song to sing, and sing it to me, sing it to me. Open up my mind that cannot find a melody, and sing it to me.
They're gonna hold up the
Sing
shoe.
it to me. Keep singing. If I'm honest, I wish I was better at everything I have ever tried and failed to be.